Okay.
Come on.
Okay. Do what he says, bro.
Walk in. Nigga, I asked nicely, but you ain't comply.
Alright. We still doing this shit, bro. What the fuck is happening with the sounds? Like, what is going on with the sound? Who are the editors of these movies, bro? Why the fuck is this? It's like this shit is lagging, bro. What the fuck? Bro, this shit is so delayed. How the fuck it become so delayed? Ain't no fucking way. And look at what is this blood effects? What is this fucking delayed reaction? Ain't no way. I'm already angry, bro, with this shit.
Yo, what the flip? Nigga, this is above your pay grade, alright?